If you're taking signals from a single indicator without context, you're losing money. I don't care how clean the setup looks. I don't care if it works twice last week. Without trend identification, without momentum confirmation, without risk management, you're just handing your capital to the market. I'm gonna show you a proof of concept on XAUUSD 5-minute charts that fixes this. But understand something first. This isn't about finding the best indicator. It's about building a system that keeps you out of trades that bleed your accounts dry. Let's start with the first tool. It's called intraday buy sell. Simple concept. It combines a moving average with RSI to generate signals. What you see on the chart is one clean line. When price crosses above that line, it flags a buy. When price crosses below, it flags a sell. Sounds logical, right? Here's the problem. If you take every signal this thing gives you, you're going to get destroyed. Look at this ranging market on XAUUSD 5 minutes. The indicator is firing buy and sell signals every few candles. No structure, no filter, just noise. This is what costs retail traders their accounts. They see a signal, then click, they lose, then they see another signal, they click again, they lose again. No rules, no trend awareness, no momentum check, just blind execution. Now look at that section. Clear downtrend. Price is falling. Momentum is bearish. And this indicator is still printing buy signals, counter trend buy signals in the middle of a sell-off. If you took those, you get a stop down. If you didn't use a stop loss, you get crushed. This is the reality of using a single layer system in the financial markets. It doesn't account for market structure. It doesn't care if you're fighting the trend. It just generates signals and you pay the price. So before we fix this, we adjust the settings. RSI length goes to 21. SMA length goes to 45. This smooths out some of the chop, but it is still not enough. You need a second layer. That's where the trend filter comes in. The second indicator is called the best cloud OLMA. It's a cloud generator built from two moving averages. By default, it shows short-term crossovers and buy-sell shapes. We don't need that. We need trend identification. So here's what we do. Disable the signals, the shapes. Set the first moving average to 50. Set the second moving average to 300. Now you've got a cloud that defines the boundaries of normal price behavior. When price is below the cloud, the market is in a downtrend. When price is above the cloud, the market is in an uptrend. Now let me show you how this works in practice. Look at the chart. Price action is below the cloud. This means we're in a downtrend. Bearish momentum is in control. So what we do? We skip every buy signal, every single one. How tempting it looks. If the trend is down and the signal is up, you ignore it. Just by doing that, you've eliminated half of losing trades. You've stopped fighting the market. You've stopped getting caught in a stop-loss hunting traps that wipe out amateur traders. Now watch what happens here. Price moves inside the cloud. This is the flat zone, no clear direction. The market is consolidating. Institutional traders aren't committing. You shouldn't either. You sit on your hands, you wait. This is the part that separates professionals from gamblers. Professionals understand that not trading is a position. Amateurs think they need to be in every move. The impatience is what leads to account blowouts. Alright, we're still in a downtrend, prices below the cloud. But how do we trade this? We wait for price to cross down through the intraday buy-sell line. That's the sell trigger. The crossover in a downtrend confirms bearish momentum. That's a high probability entry point. But here's where most people fail. They enter the trade and they don't manage risk. They don't set a stop loss. They don't calculate position size. They just hope. Hope is not a strategy. Here's the risk management rule. Never risk more than 1% per trade and always set a stop loss. Always. If the market turns against you, you need a logical exit point. You don't let the trade run until your account is gone. Your stop loss goes above the cloud or at the recent swing high. That's your invalidation level. If price reclaim that zone, the setup is broken. You cut the loss and move on. Your take profit is 1.5 or 2 times your risk. That's how you stay profitable over time. You don't need to win every trade. You just need your winners to be bigger than your losers. Now look at this section. Price is above the cloud, but it's also inside the cloud. There's a mixed signal. The market is transitioning. You do not have a clear trend. So what do? You stand on your hands. You wait for price to break out of the cloud and establish direction. Let me show you a buy trade so you see both sides. Price is above the cloud. That's an uptrend. Bullish momentum is in control. We escape every sell signal. We wait for price to crosses above the intraday buy-sell line. That's the buy trigger. The crossover in an uptrend confirms bullish momentum. That's your entry. A stop loss goes below the cloud or at the recent swing low. Take profit as 1.5 or 2 times your risk. Same logic, same structure, just flip. This strategy works across all markets and all time frames because price structure is universal. You can use this on stocks, indices, crypto. It scales from 1 minute to daily charts because support and resistance and market structure exist everywhere. Now, if you want something even simpler, check out the recommended video on your screen. It breaks down the most straightforward scalping strategy you'll ever see. Pure price action, clear entry and exit rules, no complexity. If you want an approach you can start testing right now, go watch it now. Happy trading.